Here is another short video on how I take my trade on Boom 1000. Now, if you look at the trend very well, let me make this bold. My 100 moving average is doing a curve right now. It's doing a curve. This thing has been working. It's one little secret I am sharing right now. Look at the movement. Look at this point to this point. Look at how close. Look at how close. So whenever I see the third point coming, this point now coming so close to the trend line the way it is now, I will enter a buying position because I know the trend will spike. The spike will come up. There will be a buying candle. There will be a buying candle. So what I do when I see the movement in this format, look at this point here, almost touching the trend, same as this. Now look at the third, the third point. It is not close yet as this one. So I'm still observing. Immediately I notice the closeness, I go into a buying position. It's about to hit my my position. Now I can enter a trade. Currently I can enter a buying position in this form and watch it spike. This is a sniper entry. I'm trying to show to you guys. Now look at it. Look at what is happening here and here. Look at the third point. It happened here and repeated it here. There's going to be a third reaction before the trend breaks. This is Boom 1000. It is Boom 1000. So let's observe. Let's see how this one plays. Boom 1000 has been selling for quite some hours now. Over the past 24 hours since yesterday, we've been experiencing a huge sales, though the selling has been so massive. It has been going back and forth, but more of the fourth position direction, like selling direction. So it has been selling and I took advantage of it this morning. I woke up very early and I took some sales on the candle, and I made over $12 this early morning. Though my lot size was small, I took a very small lot size just to monitor the movement and all that. So I got a positive result. So now this is Boom 1000. It is about to hit my zone. It's about to hit my zone. Maybe a few candles left, you will see the spike will come up. Look at what we are looking at. Look at how close this is to this place, and the movement of this moving average. This is my 100 moving average. This is the movement between the moving average and my trend line. I use it as a support to get the movement of my trend and how to catch spike. This is another lesson for another day. I just want to point this picture to you so that you know how technical it is to trade the boom and crash. You need more technicality, you need more knowledge, more ideas. You don't just go into this business if you don't know what you are doing. You end up blowing up your account, throwing your money, giving your money to the brokers, to these brokers. Okay, so you have to trade wisely. You have to be more technical. When you're taking your trades. When you're doing this business, you have to be more technical. Like I said, I'm a technical man, and I like doing technical things. You understand? So let's see how this one plays. I know we're going to see a spike any minute from now. There's going to be a buying candle, and I'm going to be in profit. So remember what happened here the other day. How this trend went on and on and on and on before the breakaway in this the breakaway, and the candle started selling. And it has been selling since yesterday up till this morning, and even up till now it has been selling. Now I said it. Look at it. I just received a profit. Now see how it has been working for me. It has been working, and I want you to understand that we are not joking here. When I said if you want to join my Signal group, you can indicate your interest. You can indicate your interest and follow me. I did not just say that because I want to go with your money, or I want to take your money from you. No, this is something I know very well, since I'm a technical man. I do technical things, and I prefer and I love doing technical analysis on my trend before I go into the market. Now look at it, it's a huge one, though it's not that huge, but at least I got the spike and it is accurate and it's a success. So join me on my channel. You can join me on my channel. If you want to be a VIP person, you can as well join me, and I give signals. My free signal channel, I give 1, 2, 3 free signals per day, and my VIP signals segment or section, I give profitable signals like this that will give you good and positive results every day, so that you can grow from strength to strength. Now look at it, it just spiked again, and I am going up and up and up. You understand? So this is it. This is Mikey's school, Forest School of Business Management. I'm at it again this morning. I'm trying to make you understand what is happening at the financial market, the forex market, and the synthetic indices, down to boom and crash. Now this is boom and crash, and this is boom 1000. Doing it big. We are doing it live and direct. Enough of the hustle and bustle. Enough of the struggles. Enough of going back and forth in life. We have to move forward. My $100 challenge is still on. I think at least this is the account of my $100 challenge, and I'm still pushing it. Yesterday was 252, and now is we're going up. This is 277 and still pushing. When I hit my total profit for the day, I will call it a day, or I will proceed further. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, why not join me? Subscribe, hit the subscribe button. You can like my videos, like whatever thing you're seeing, give a decent comment, and see you in my next video. I love you guys. Have a nice day.